Microsoft Azure Integration and Security. What is Azure Integration course? Microsoft Azure Integration and Security provider brings together API monitoring, logic apps, solution bus, as well as Occasion Grid as a dependable, scalable system for integrating on-premises as well as cloud-based applications, data, and processes across your business. Azure Integration Services Review. Microsoft Azure Integration and Security course shows IT professionals exactly how to find, analyze, plan and also implement a movement of on-premises sources and also facilities to Azure. Students will certainly find out exactly how to use Azure Migrate to execute the exploration and analysis phase that is critical to a successful movement. Trainees will also find out how to make use of Azure Website Recuperation for performing the real movement of work to Azure. This exam measures your ability to achieve the complying with technological tasks, safe and secure identities, examine and also perform server migration to Azure, implement as well as handle application services, as well as implement advanced virtual networking. In order to pass this PrEP Microsoft Azure Integration and Security exam, you will need both of the following. A minimal rating of 70% on the general test. A minimal score of 35% on each examination domain name AZ101 Microsoft Azure Assimilation and Protection Program to aid you to proceed your trip to certification. About Microsoft Azure Integration and Security Training Certification. Microsoft Azure Integration and Security Training Certification provide IT, protection professionals, with the knowledge and skills required to execute safety and security controls, maintain a company's security position, and also identify and also remediate safety and security vulnerabilities. The Azure Security Technologies training is particularly developed for Microsoft Azure engineers who utilize safety controls, safeguard data, manage identification and access, networks, and much more. As soon as you occupy this course, you will certainly identify and remediate susceptibilities by leveraging a series of safety and security devices as well as a reply back to safety case escalations. Significance of Microsoft Azure Integration and Security Training in 2021. In the Microsoft Azure Integration and Security Training, students will certainly gain the understanding and abilities required to carry out protection controls, keep the protection posture, and also determine and also remediate susceptibilities by utilizing a selection of safety devices. The objectives of Microsoft Azure Integration and Security Training are as follows. Explain specialized info classifications on Azure. Acknowledge Azure Information Security Systems. Deploy Azure Data Security Treatments. You will safeguard Internet protocols and executing them on Azure. Understand how to clarify domain name system and also IP approaches for VNETs in Azure. You must have the ability to discuss Azure safety solutions as well as attributes. Training facility in UAE, Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Sharjah. If you are Microsoft Azure Integration and Security Training in Dubai, Abu Dhabi, and Sharjah in UAE, you are reading the right article. Zabeel Institute has designed the best Microsoft Azure security training. Zabeel Institute is well known for delivering several successful batches for Azure security training every year. Zabeel ensures to help all students with all sorts of assistance for their brilliant performance in the exam. Zabeel Institute, established in 1988, is a leading educational and training institute for executives in Dubai. Zabeel Institute is by the KHDA and Ministry of Education UAE. Zabeel offers training programs to professionals from various industries like airlines, travel and tourism, engineering, construction, accounts and finance, information technology, logistics, languages, and management. For further information, please contact phone 00971 43974 WhatsApp 009715052585001. Email mail@zabeelinstitute.ae. Website www.zabeelinstitute.ae. Inquiry https://zabeelinstitute.ae/inquire/